Welcome to MindEdge, where we explore the hidden future of humanity and technology. Subscribe now and understand the future before it understands you. The end of work has already started, and most people still have no idea how far the change has already gone. Since early 2025, more than 1.7 million jobs have been eliminated worldwide. Not planned, not predicted, eliminated, gone. Replaced by machines, algorithms, and autonomous systems that work faster, cheaper, and without limits. For years, people thought automation would arrive slowly, gradually, one step at a time. But 2025 proved something different. It proved that automation doesn't advance like progress. It advances like a collapse, quiet at first, then suddenly everywhere. Duolingo fired human teams of translators because their AI became good enough. Entire teams replaced overnight. Google and Amazon cut thousands of jobs in support, data processing, and marketing. Not because of economic pressure, but because AI does the same tasks in seconds. Klarna admitted publicly that their AI now performs the work of more than 700 employees. 700. One system replaces an entire building of workers. Walmart automated logistics, reduced back-office operations, and began testing autonomous store systems. Multiple video studios removed junior editors because AI pipelines can derush, cut, and subtitle hours of footage in minutes. This isn't science fiction. It's not a prediction. It's not a theory. It's the new normal. And the pattern is obvious. Any job that is repetitive, predictable, or standardized is already in danger. Look around. Customer support used to employ millions of people worldwide. Today, AI agents handle 30 to 70% of requests, depending on the country. And they never sleep, never get tired, never ask for raises. Translators without specialization? Gone. AI translates faster, in more languages, at a level that keeps improving every month. Basic video editing, derushing, cleaning audio, adding subtitles, resizing for different platforms, all automated. Data collection and annotation, once a huge industry, absorbed by models that now self-improve. Back-office banking and insurance jobs, forms, claims, checks, verifications. AI does it instantly. Low-tier journalism, SEO writing, low-cost blog content. AI produces more in a day than a human team produces in a month. These jobs are not changing. They are disappearing. And they will not come back. Human demand in these sectors is permanently collapsing. The world has moved on. But that's just the first wave. The second wave is already forming, and it will hit between 2026 and 2030. Cashiers, retail workers, inventory clerks. Self-checkout wasn't the end. Computer vision and autonomous scanning systems will replace the rest. Ride-sharing drivers, taxi drivers, delivery workers. Humans will coexist with automation for a few years, but autonomous fleets are getting cheaper, more reliable, more scalable, and delivery robots are spreading city by city. Basic accounting will be automated too. Most of it already is. AI can keep books, audit documents, analyze risks, detect anomalies, and generate reports. Simple legal work will follow. Contracts, standard procedures, basic litigation. AI already drafts faster and checks more carefully than paralegals. Low-cost marketing is next. Copywriting, image generation, micro-campaigns, targeting. 80% of the workflow is automatable. And then there are junior developers, people who write simple code, people who fix small bugs. AI coding agents now generate, test, debug, and optimize code as fast as 10 human juniors combined. This is the first time in history that a tool can outperform its own creators. Humans won't disappear, but the job market won't be able to absorb everyone. For the first time, we will have too many workers and not enough human tasks. And that's why no one should feel safe. No profession is truly immune. AI is getting faster every month, more autonomous, more specialized, more capable of operating without supervision, and cheaper, much cheaper. AI agents are starting to manage workflows end to end. They don't just answer questions, they plan, they execute, they verify, they optimize, and they repeat the cycle infinitely. Combine this with the rise of humanoid robots that are starting to enter factories, warehouses, and service industries, and you see the real picture. Digital automation and physical automation will merge. When that happens, disruption will hit every field. Even technical jobs will resist longer, but not forever. This is the part people don't like to hear, but it's the truth. AI will eliminate millions of jobs, not transform them, not redefine them, eliminate them. There will be real losses. Entire professions will disappear. Some will be cut in half. Others will survive, but with salaries too low to support a life. The world is not fair, and the world is not slowing down to wait for those who hesitate. But this is not the end of all work. It is the end of interchangeable work. The types of jobs that fall slower are different: physical work, technical work, local work, skilled trades, human-centered professions. Jobs where presence, intuition, or manual skill still matter, not because they are protected, but because AI cannot fully absorb them yet. Distance limits them. Physics limits them. Reality limits them. For now. These jobs won't save everyone, but they will save the people who master them. People who can actually do something real. Something that requires a human being. Something that cannot be outsourced to a model running in a data center. The future offers only two options: work with AI, or be so good at a real-world skill that machines cannot replace you remotely. Both paths are demanding. Both paths require effort, and both paths leave people behind. There will be winners, and there will be losers, and the world is already choosing who becomes which. The end of work? No. Just the end of weak, repetitive, replaceable work. The rest will survive, but survival will not be free, and it will not be easy. This transmission ends here. The next one is already forming. Stay aware and subscribe to Remain in the Signal.